Hi, this is Craig Dennis, and today I'd like to present the 2012 Ram 1500 Tradesman Quad Cab truck. This is our work truck. I want to show you just what this truck has. There's a Ram box storage area, which is lockable in the back here. It's lit for at night. It's lockable on both sides. This is a bed extender. I like to put stuff in the back so that you can have the tailgate down. You can also use it as a partition. That comes with the truck. You'll see 3 people in the back, 2 in the front. You got airbags mounted here in the seat to protect your thorax area. You got side curtain airbags come out of the headliner, go back all rows. Storage in the armrest. Partitioned inside. You can put 3 people up in the front too. Storage up in the top and at the bottom, lockable down the bottom. CD player, iPod jack in the radio, automatic air conditioning. You have the electronic range selector so you can turn off the overdrive. This is 4-wheel drive also. Automatic headlights, power windows locks. Sticker price $32,020. This truck is very affordable, very capable. Smoothest riding truck you can buy in America, and this one's even made in America. Ram 1500 has a load-bearing tailgate. Same tailgate that's on our 2500, 3500 trucks, and you get a free spray and bed liner. You get the free Ram box on this truck also. You need to call 412-695-3929, 724-288-4791. You notice also you got the tie downs that are adjustable up and down the track. Great truck. Lots of room. Great incentives. Give me a call. Love to do you a price quote. Ask for Craig Dennis at 412-695-3929, 724-288-4791. I'll talk to you soon.